Best laptops you should buy. Every year, we test a huge range of laptops, many of which are excellent, but you can't afford to buy them all. Therefore, in order to assist you with your purchase options, I've undertaken the extremely difficult chore of choosing 5 of the world's best gadgets for this Best Laptop of 2023 list. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. So, let's start. Number 5. Asus ROG Zephyrus G14. The storage and port options of the Asus ROG Zephyrus G14 laptop are exceptional. It offers a generous 1 TB NVMe solid-state drive (SSD), delivering fast and spacious storage for your files and games. In terms of connectivity, it features a USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C port, 2 USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type-A ports, an HDMI 2.0 bits port, and a 3.5mm audio jack, ensuring versatile connectivity for your peripherals. Number 4. Asus ZenBook Pro Duo 14. The Asus ZenBook Pro Duo 14 laptop provides impressive storage and connectivity options. It comes equipped with a spacious 1 TB PCI NVMe M.2 SSD, ensuring ample storage for your files and projects. In terms of ports, it features 2 Thunderbolt 4 USB-C ports, 1 USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-A port, an HDMI 2.1 port, a microSD card reader, and a 3.5mm audio jack, offering versatile connectivity for various devices. Number 3. HP Spectre X36014. The HP Spectre X36014 laptop offers excellent storage and a wide range of ports. It features a generous 1 TB PCI NVMe M.2 SSD, providing ample space for your files and multimedia content. In terms of connectivity, it offers 2 Thunderbolt 4 ports, a USB 3.1 Gen 1 Type-A port, a microSD card reader, and a 3.5mm audio jack, ensuring versatile connectivity options for your peripherals and accessories. Number 2. MacBook Pro. The MacBook Pro laptop provides efficient storage and a range of versatile ports. It offers different storage configurations, including options for 256GB, 512GB, 1 TB, or even larger PCI-based SSDs, allowing users to choose the capacity that suits their needs. In terms of ports, it features Thunderbolt 4/USB 4 ports, providing fast data transfer and connectivity options, along with a 3.5mm headphone jack. Additionally, newer models include an HDMI port and an SDXC card slot for enhanced versatility. Number 1. Apple MacBook Air M2. The Apple MacBook Air M2 laptop offers efficient storage and a range of versatile ports. It comes with different storage options, including configurations for 256GB, 512GB, or 1 TB PCI-based SSDs, ensuring ample space for your files and data. In terms of ports, it features 2 Thunderbolt 4/USB 4 ports, offering fast data transfer and connectivity options. Additionally, it includes a 3.5mm headphone jack for audio connectivity. The MacBook Air M2 also supports high-resolution external displays through its Thunderbolt ports. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.